Good morning, students. I am going to continue with the fourth chapter. My first topic is isotopes. It is noticed that two or more atoms of the same element. Okay, suppose you are having one element and in this element two atoms are there. So it is noticed that two or atoms of the same elements may contain the same. Suppose this is atom 1 and it is atom 2. Okay, so they may have the same atomic number. Atomic number can be same, but their mass number may be different. Okay, their mass number may be different. Okay, so it is noticed that two or more atoms of the same elements may contain the same number of protons, but they may differ in the number of neutrons. It means that same atomic number, it means that their number of protons will be same. Number of protons will be same, but number of neutrons will be different. Okay, number of neutrons will be different. Okay, so however the electrons are arranged in the same way. So in these atoms electrons are arranged in the same way so that these two atoms are showing the same chemical properties. Same chemical properties. Same chemical properties. So those atoms, okay, those atoms of the element which show same atomic number but different mass number, but they have different mass number, this type of the property is called isotopy. Okay, and the varieties of these atoms are called isotopes. Okay, the varieties of these isotopes, these atoms are only called isotopes. So we can say that isotope may be defined as atoms of the same elements, atoms of the same element which show the same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, which shows same atomic number but different mass number. This type of the property is called isotopy, and that type of atoms are called isotopes. Okay, so many examples are there of isotopes. First example is hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen is having three isotopes. Okay, hydrogen is having three isotopes. Okay, first one is protium. Second one is deuterium. And third one is tritium. In this three isotopes you can see the atomic numbers are same. Okay, in all the three isotopes you can see atomic number is 1 but their mass numbers are different. Okay, so this is the example of this hydrogen. Okay, now you can see in this number of this proton, number of proton will be same. Okay, but number of neutrons will be different. Okay, number of neutrons will be different. See, in the first case number of neutron 0. Okay, number of proton 1. Okay, in the second case you can see number of proton 1, number of neutron 1. In the third case you can see number of proton 1 but number of neutron will be 2. So in this three isotopes of hydrogen you can see number of proton will be same but the number of neutrons will be different. Okay, so this is one example of hydrogen. Okay, one more example you see carbon. Second example is carbon. Okay, now it is also having three isotopes. First one is C12, second one is C13 and the third one is C14. in this you can see atomic numbers are same but mass numbers are different. In this you can see number of proton is 6, number of neutron is also 6. In this number of proton is 6, number of neutron is 7. In this number of proton is 6 and number of neutron will be 8. So in this case also you have seen that number of protons are same but the number of neutrons are different. So this is the example of carbon. Okay, one more example of isotope, chlorine. It is having two isotope. First one mass number 35, atomic number 17, and second one mass number 37, atomic number 17. In this you can see number of this proton is 17, number of neutrons will be 18. Okay, in this case you can see number of proton is 7, number of proton will be 17 and number of neutron will be 20. Okay, so the two isotope of chlorine of mass number 35 and 37 respectively have the same atomic number 17. You can see in these two isotope the atomic numbers are same. However, they differ only with respect to the number of neutrons. Only they are different, okay, by the number of neutrons. Okay, they are represented as 35 you have to write as a superscript and 17 you have to write as a subscript, and in the second one 37 is the mass number, you have to write as a superscript, and 17 is the atomic number, you have to write as a subscript. So in this number of neutron will be 18 and in this second isotope you can see number of the neutrons will be 20. So these are the some example of isotopes. Now the properties of isotope. Properties of isotopes. Now isotopes have the same chemical properties. Okay, always we have to remember that isotopes have same chemical properties. Okay, the isotopes of this chlorine is having the same chemical properties. I am talking about the chemical properties. They are having the same chemical properties. Since isotopes are having the same atomic number, okay, in both the isotopes you can see atomic numbers are same. Okay, that is why their number of proton is also same. Okay, same number of proton, same number of electron also, and same electronic configuration also. Same electronic configuration. In the first isotope of this chlorine, electronic configuration will be 287, and in the second case also electronic configuration will be 287. So this chemical properties, okay, chemical properties are determined by electronic configuration only. Okay, chemical properties are determined by the electronic configuration of an atom. So that is why isotopes are having same chemical properties. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, this is the reason why isotopes are having same chemical properties, because in isotopes they are having same atomic number, they are having same number of the proton and same number of electron also. That is why they are having same electronic configuration. And since we know that chemical properties are determined by electronic configuration, that is why isotopes are having same chemical properties. Okay, now come to the physical properties. Physical properties. So isotopes differ in few physical properties. Okay, I am not talking that all the physical properties will be different, only few physical properties will be different. For example, density, in the case of density they can be different, and in the case of boiling point also they can be different. So why they are having the different physical properties? So the physical properties depend upon the mass number. Okay, physical properties are determined by the mass number. So since in the isotopes mass numbers are different, so that is why they are having the different physical properties. Okay, this is the reason why isotopes are having different physical properties. Okay, so always you have to remember that these chemical properties are determined by electronic configuration. So that is why they are having the same chemical properties, but the physical properties are depend upon this mass number. So since their mass numbers are different, so that is why isotopes have different physical properties. So these are the properties of isotopes. Okay, now one more point is there. Okay, that is called isobars. The last point of this exercise is isobars. What do you mean by isobars? What do you mean by isobars? So they are atoms of different elements with the same mass number. Okay, different elements are there. Okay, they are having the same mass number, but they are different in atomic number. Okay, they will be different in atomic number. Their mass number will be same, but their atomic number will be different. Okay, for example, one example of this isobar, argon and calcium. Okay, their mass number is same and their atomic numbers are different. Okay, one more example, chromium and iron. Mass number is same, 54, and these atomic numbers are different. So this is the example of isobar. In this isobar, different elements are having the same mass number, but their atomic number will be different. So they are atoms of different elements with the same mass number but different atomic numbers. Since the properties of elements depend upon atomic number, so they have both different physical and chemical properties. Okay, since the chemical properties are decided by the atomic number, so since their atomic numbers are different, so that is why their properties are also different. So this is about isobar and isotopes. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.